Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I bought some new pans and pots. It's non-stick, and before using them I just took them out of the packing, so I wanted to share with you how I'm preparing my new pans and pots for the first time before using them, and also wanted to share some tips with you that every time before placing them over the heat, what is that thing that you have to always do so that you can improve the performance of your pans and increase the age of your pans and pots, and they stay for a very much longer for you and they perform to the best. This is a new tefal pan that I bought. I just took it out of the packaging, so just wanted to show you what I'm gonna do for the first time, because today I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna fry some fish in it, so let me tell you what I'm doing. First of all, of course, we're gonna wash our pan. Always, of course, use a foam to wash your non-stick pan or pot. Once you completely washed it, rinse it nicely and then dry it with a clean cloth. Now to use it for the first time, just put it over the medium to low heat and let it get heated. Then add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of any kind of liquid oil in it. And using a tissue paper, rub the oil all over the pan or the pot, and then let it stay over the heat for about a minute. After 1 minute, remove it from the heat and let it completely cool down. After the cooling down is done, the pan or the pot is ready to use. Now, what you should really know about the non-stick ware, very important, just some tips that I'm gonna share with you here. Never put them inside a dishwasher, even though if the packaging and the company says it is safe to do so. The dishwasher will destroy the inner lining of your non-stick ware and make their age shorter. Always hand wash it using a foam. And always use the silicone or wooden utensils for the non-stick ware. Never use any metal utensils, even if it's for just one time. If you are using your non-stick ware for cooking kind of egg, vegetable or fish, always keep the flames medium or low and never increase it, because increasing the flame is going to damage your non-stick ware. Never use spray oils for your non-stick ware, because oil spray, they give residue all over your non-stick pan and they stick to the inner lining and they damage your non-stick ware. It's best always use all kinds of liquid oils or butter or solid oils, and avoid any kind of spray oils, as they will burn so fast inside the non-stick ware and damage them. Always, before heating your pan to make any kind of food, just add the oil inside your non-stick ware, then place it over the flames. Do not pour the oil inside a heated non-stick pan or pot. All the tips that I told you, it might look so simple, or it might look that you've heard it before, but what is important is that some of the non-stick ware, they have been made the way that if you do not comply with the tips that I told you, they might give toxic gases from their inner lining, which is really dangerous for your health and for the environment.